All right, time to take a look at the Dockteck 5-in-1 USB-C hub. Okay. So it's got a little sticker on here with a couple of warnings. So the first one says that it could get hot, but that's not a big deal. And it says that the USB-A ports next to the HDMI port can support 7.5 watts. So that's these ports right here. And that the shared wattage is 8 watts. So that's all these ports together. So what that really means is that these are mostly going to be for data. You don't want to really use these things for charging. Even though you can, it's not going to be putting out a lot of power. We do have an HDMI port. We've got our 3 USB-A ports. We got a USB-C port. And this is power delivery. So that's going to allow you to plug your power supply into here. And then you can plug this into your laptop. And that way you can get all the power and all the ports right from one plug. Now for me, this is perfectly fine because I'm going to be using this just for data and mostly for that HDMI port anyway. I do like seeing this nice braided cord on here. So this looks like it's going to last. So that's nice. And it plugs into a USB-C port. We also have this. So that's pretty cool. Looks like it's made out of a fairly good material. It's got a spot here on the top for the dock. Looks like it has a little pouch for a pen as well. So let's go ahead and plug this guy in. And I'll put in a USB drive. Okay, so I picked it up right away. And if I copy the files onto the desktop, getting about 96, 97 megabytes per second. So that's pretty much the extent of what that drive is capable of. So it's really going to depend on what the drive can do, but this dock does max out that drive. So that's good. My HDMI in here. Cool, there we go. So now with our laptop, we got our external display. Yep, and that works right away. So right now you can see my mouse pointer right around here. And if I bring it over here, now my mouse pointer is right over here. So yeah, that is a perfect little dock. For doing anything like this where I need to extend the display, or have the option to plug in some thumb drives or mice or whatever, that'll work no problem. And I also like that I don't have to actually plug power into the thing. Basically, I got one cord going to my laptop and that's all I need. And it's nice and small, so I can just throw that thing right in my backpack. It's going to be easy to transport. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice dock.